Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's look is all clean beauty products. I'm going to be using one of my favorite brands, Pacifica Beauty. If you guys haven't tried this brand out, I definitely suggest going to Ulta or Target, or you can even find them at pacificabeauty.com. Their products are amazing. They're really affordable and they're clean and most importantly, beautiful. Can we just talk about this gorgeous palette that they just sent me? This is the Pacifica Animal Magic Mineral Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to be using this today to do like a fun holiday kind of eye. This is a look that I always teach all of my clients if they're going to a wedding overseas or, you know, somewhere that they can't take me and they need to do a look on themselves. I always show them this look because it's simple, but it looks really professional. So if you are a beginner makeup artist or you feel like you can't do this, you can. I'm telling you that you can. Watch this video, practice it, watch it again, and practice it again. I promise you will get it. So if you guys want to find out how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, let's begin. My husband's in the room right now watching me. It's very uncomfortable. Okay, so what I'm going to use for my base is my Pacifica Liquid Cover. This is the Full Coverage Lasting Concealer. So they just sent me this new palette. It's the Animal Magic palette. One, I'm obsessed that all the names are animal names and they all have their little color and thing next to them. They're so cute. So the colors that we're gonna use today are gonna be white. I feel like I'm like reading a book. The colors that I'm gonna be using today are White Raven, Dragon, Turtle, and Crow. They're beautiful. This is going to be the most professional looking eye that's gonna take you under 10 minutes. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna grab is Falcon. It's a really pretty orangey color. With a puffy brush, right in the crease. I even like that just alone. The next step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Dragon and White Raven. So it's like a light green and then a frosty white. I'm gonna tap it right in the center. This is gonna be your starting point for all of our shadows. Right in the center of the eye. That's what's gonna give that really nice pop in the center. Next thing I'm gonna do, grab another little fluffy brush, dip it in Turtle, which is this really pretty greeny kind of color, and I'm gonna go on the outsides. So what you really wanna do, this is called color blocking. You really wanna isolate the center of the lid with that light color, and then pop the darker colors on the outside. You can go a little bit in the crease, but go soft when you go right in the center. The reason that I like to put that lighter color in the center is because it serves as a base, so it makes it a little bit easier for you to put the darker shadows on, so you can kind of judge where you want to put them. Because sometimes people will go in too far and then you only leave a little space for the lighter color and then you can't get the lighter color to be as bright as you want it to be. I'm really going to try and do this under 10 minutes. Now I'm using a tinier brush. I'm going right on top. I use a fluffy brush to kind of set the base, and now I want a little bit of a harder brush to really add more pigment. And you know I love to tap. Tap, 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 tap. Especially with these hard brushes, you want to just tap so you can place your product. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and start to blend that in. I would definitely suggest doing your eyeshadow first before your foundation, especially with this kind of look, because it can get really messy. Okay, next I'm gonna grab this really dark eye in the corner. It actually looks like it's black, but I think it has a little bit of green in it. It's called Crow. And I'm gonna place that right on top of the green. And because this is a matte color going on top of a shimmer color, the shimmer is still gonna come through. It actually makes it just a little bit more pigmented, but you really, really see the metallic. So don't be afraid that by putting this over, it's gonna matte everything out. Blend it all in. All right, I'm gonna go back to the greens. I'm gonna go back to Dragon and White Raven with the flat brush and tap it right in the center. And what I like to do too is kind of just dip my finger and go on top. The finger in a metallic just always adds that little extra shine. You can see how much shinier it is already. Next up is a fluffy brush, back in Falcon, that orangey color, and just right in the crease to blend it all out. I'm gonna take a flat brush, go right in White Raven, and put that right underneath my brow bone. I'm also gonna grab a little brush in White Raven and pop it in the inner corners. Okay, for underneath the eye, I'm just gonna use a little brush, dip it back in Turtle, which is the shiny green color, and push it right against my lash line. I want it really, really close to the lash line. And the more that you kind of swipe metallics, they just get shinier and shinier. I'm gonna take the same brush in Crow, the dark color, and go right on top the same way that I did it on the upper lid. Next up, mascara. You guys know that I'm a mascara junkie. I love, love this mascara. I've been out of it for a few months and I just got a new one. It's so inexpensive and it's like the best mascara. It's so good. You can see, I'm not gonna do lashes especially because I want you to see how great this mascara is. The brush kind of has this like little swirly on it. This is the Pacifica Highest Lash Chronic Volume Mascara. Okay, so the reason that I like this mascara is because you put it on, it kind of almost dries down a little bit, and then when you add more, it just keeps on building. It's a really great buildable mascara. I can really only use mascara that builds because I love to keep adding it on, and it doesn't flake either. This mascara is great for people with sensitive eyes. Like I wear contacts, so sometimes my lashes will bother me, or mascaras with fragrance really bother my eyes. So if you have sensitive eyes, then this mascara, definitely you should check it out. Okay guys, my last step that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my Pacifica eyeliner. This is just the Pacifica gel liner, and all I'm gonna do is go right on the ends, add a little bit of a flick, and pull it in. I'm not even going all over the lid. Ooh, my eye's twitching a little bit. What does that mean? I'm tired or dehydrated? Probably both. And the reason that I'm just doing this little flick on the end is because I really want this to be easy for everybody, especially a beginner, somebody new to makeup. You wanna, you're going to a party, you can't have somebody come and do your makeup. This is a really, really easy look. All right, I'm gonna finish it off with some concealer. This is the Pacifica Liquid Cover and Full Coverage Lasting Concealer. I definitely can say that this concealer lasts. I use this on my clients all the time. And I'm gonna set it with my Pacifica Cherry Matte Powder. The mattifying powder is so good and it actually smells like cherries. It's amazing. They also have a really good primer. It's also the mattifying cherry. It looks like this. Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer. Pre-makeup oil control. Literally smells like cherries. The powder smells like cherries. It's great. I'm gonna add some bronzer. This is the Pacifica Sun Dreams bronzer. All this stuff you can get at Ulta, even Target. It's really easy to get your hands on. You know that I love to use eyeshadow as blush, so I'm gonna use Falcon, the orangey color, as my blush. I've been wearing eyeshadow as blush for so many years. When I worked at MAC, I would always wear orange eyeshadow or Rule as my blush, and people would come up to me and be like, what blush are you wearing? I mean, I would wear way more when I worked at a counter, but I just love the way that it looked. And because I want to keep this look really simple, I'm just going to use my Pacifica lip oil. I think this is the peach one. Pink sheer. I'm going to put it on with a little bit of lip liner. I don't have a clean lip liner. This is just the Kevyn Aucoin No. 2 Flesh Tone Lip Pencil. Oh, actually, you know what I'm going to add on top of this? I do have a clean lipstick. This is, which one is this? Is this the one that I want? Or this one? Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. This is from Ultra Ego Cosmetics. This is actually a magnetizing lip plumping lip balm. This color is called Ocean Avenue. It looks so good on top of that. Wow. All right, guys, and that is it. I hope that you guys learned something today. I hope that you're able to do this on yourself. I mean, this is a super, super easy look that you can do at home, especially now for holiday season. This is a really fun way to play up your eyes. If you guys do it, take a selfie and tag me in it. My Instagram is down below, and I will make sure to list every product that I used. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.